Imagine you are a ship. Your conscious mind is the captain. Your reflexes, habits and routines are the pirates on board. Together with other ships, you form a fleet and navigate towards a destination. What is your destination? Can you see this image, the ocean, the sky, and hear the waves, the noise of the ships, the voices of the pirates? Can you feel the movement of the boats, the wind and the water? How do you organize the fleet? What vessel do you sail? What is your destination? How do you make sure all ships are with you, none lag behind or drift off in another direction? In a playful and interactive session, we'll bring leadership and talent management skills, tips and tricks back to top of your awareness. Ready to embark on this fascinating adventure? Get your boats in the water and sail to this workshop. Ahoy!